before you do anything. It's a crucial item that you need to have before you even touch the bike. This thing is a must, and that's coffee. Today we're just going to check the brakes, brake pads, the condition of the disc, because the other day when I was riding I felt like it was sticking and it was dragging a little bit. Brake lever was quite spongy, so I might have to give it the old bleed. Gonna bleed it out. So yeah, let's get it. First thing first, you need to loosen up these pins, 2 pins. Don't take it all the way out. Then undo these 2 bolts here. So just give it a wiggle, nice and slow. Here we go. It's left side brake cylinder, brake caliper, brake something. So to take out the pads, take out these pads, you have to remove these 2 pins fully. Like that. 2. Just let it out. Voila. You can just leave your caliper like that. Should be okay. So let's inspect the pads. That's looking okay. They're wearing out evenly, so that's a good sign. I'm just gonna put it on the side. Inspect the caliper now. You can take this thing out. It's a little copper looking thing. It's like a retainer clip. Keeps the pads inside. You can take it out, but I don't think I will have to. So what I do is just give it a good spray. Make sure everything's nice and clean. And maybe put it back together and do the same thing on the other side. Hold on. Some brake cleaners, some old used toothbrush or brush. I use this one because it's longer, can reach all the way in there. Just give a good dusting, inspect for any leak. If the piston is leaking, it should come out on the sides, this side, but mine seems okay. So I'm just going to give it a good spray. Might have to paint this soon or later, but I don't mind. I'm happy with that. It's just a little aesthetic paint problem, but as long as it works, it's in good condition, I'm happy with it. So now what I do with the brake pads, I normally just give them a quick check like that, then get steel brush, just brush it off. sure there's no stone or anything embedded into the pads, because that's gonna make quite a bit of a noise. I'm happy with that. It's all good. This side is good. Hopefully the other side is good as well. Sorry about the noise, someone's cleaning, someone's doing something. But anyways, so I'm just gonna put it back together now. Make sure you clean the pins. Just get a copper grease, a few dab in there, and that's it. And it makes it slide easy as well. So don't want to put too much. Just a dab. Put the pads back in now, like that. What's this? Yeah, you can put it on like that. Then you push the pads that way to line it up on the hole. There's a hole there, it's lined up. And now you get 2 pins, and what you can do is hand tight that. Doesn't have to be tight yet, you can tie it again when it's on. Then what you do, split the pads away from each other, so you can slide it in between the disc. So I'm just gonna leave mine like that for now. Just get your Loctite. Use the blue one, it's a medium strength. You know, that's all you need really. So what I do is a little dab. That's it. That's it. Slide in nice and easy. And tight. This is called front brake caliper mounting bolt. It's going to be torqued up to 39 Newton meters. That's on 30, 39. And then this caliper brake pads retaining bolts are actually torqued up to 16 Newton meters. Do it up all the way until it clicks. There you go. Click, click. So I'm just going to do this to retaining pins, 16 Newton meters it says, just to be safe. There you go, 16. That's the left side done. Just going to go to the other side, fast forward it, and that's it. Yeah, it's all done. Check the brake lever. Seems to be okay, to be honest. I was gonna bleed it, but it feels okay now. Yeah, it feels good. Feels firm. Well, don't think I need to bleed it now then. So everything's back together. Checked the piston, I've checked the caliper, I've checked the pads. They seem to be okay. So yeah, that's it for today. Peace. All done.